Hi guys, I wanted to test my Andoer time-lapse Panorama mount. In other words, basically a kitchen timer thing. I wanted to use it with the GoPro, so I 3D printed a mount for it, but you might notice it's only half there. That's because my 3D printer died before it had finished the print, but it actually printed enough to actually hold the GoPro okay, so I'll still use it. It's just not the way it should be. So this is just a test. Let it run round in the garden. I've just realised it's not entirely level, but I'll leave it like that. That might make an interesting swoop around in the panorama. It will be dipping as it goes round that way. In fact, I don't know if that's getting worse as I'm looking at it. Well, we'll leave it and we'll find out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.